Here we are. Wow, that's really incredible for me. 15 USD per hour. Isn't it an interesting thing?
What? Wow.
I really love that. It's really spectacular for me. I couldn't really expect such kind of things earlier. If I can quickly tell you that easily you can just convert USD to PKR. Suppose from Pakistan rupees you can do. It's more than 3,000 rupees, right?
Wow, you must be rich.
3,000 you can earn within a 1 hour. Isn't it like interesting thing? I really love that. I mean, this is what I really share. The main purpose, I create videos for motivating to someone that you can do it. Of course, you can as well. If I've been trying and I've been earning, why are you not? You are same like me. I am not like a genius. I mean, I am like a normal person, of course. I just spend a little bit time working on it. Why you can't? Even if you remember or not, it's been a few days ago maybe, maybe 1 week, 2 week, or 3 weeks ago, I uploaded a one easy video and I described everything that how I can help you to earn money and how you can easily teach. It is not related other work. It was related English because you have been watching my channel and I have seen there are many English learners on my channel and they can be better. Even I talk many English learners. They are my subscribers. They are speaking good. They can also help many people by teaching, of course. Why you can't? Why you are not doing?
I'm busy.
It's not about only English. If you know Hindi, if you know Urdu, if you know other languages, Spanish, German, whatever, why you don't do that? You are not doing. This is a problem. I'm suggesting you have to easily do that. First of all, I'm going to suggest you to join easily on Preply. This is one of the first step that you have to do. If you really want to earn money, if you really don't like working 12 hours more than that, so you can work with your own schedule. The main important thing, you don't need to work on a specific place, right? You can take your laptop, go everywhere.
Let's go.
Everywhere you can go teach it easily. No any like boss. You are boss. You are own boss. This is the easiest work in the world, I think. You have a knowledge. You have to simply share. You have to simply help your students to helping with their language. If you're a native speaker, if you have Urdu, Hindi, English is a native language, it's not a complicated. It's kind of a piece of cake, right? So why we can't? It's a problem. Even I uploaded a video because I really wanted to help and I told to each and everyone, but I couldn't got more people there. I think people couldn't click that. I don't know why. Maybe couldn't interested to earn. I couldn't interested to teach. Maybe not. But if you really wanted to teach and if you really don't know how to do that, so I'm always here. I always told you to watch that short video and on Sunday especially related this topic. If you want to do that, then I can easily help you. I've got many messages related students to practicing their English, right? So I'm not really getting that much time to practice with each and every one, but it will be really good for me to helping those they really wanted to learn to how to teach and how we can apply and how we can earn also that much money, right? You can do that. It's not like a big deal. It's a right, a tiny things that you can easily apply and you can do 3-4 process. I already created a video.
Oh, really?
Really?
How you can easily apply, but I can tell you easy this step. You can visit Preply. You have to simply sign up, and after signing up you have simply form. On the form you have one profile picture, good picture. Secondly, you have to add an introduction video, like shooting introduction. I'm in right there, right? You have to record this. You have to say, hey, hi, my name is Lakan and I'm 22 and I've been teaching English for 4, 5, 6, whatever you have experience. You can say in that way. And there is also everything is written. There are many samples. If you don't know how to create a video and what kind of video you have to create, you can check my link below description. That's my profile. there's video available. You can easily watch my video, you can get a lot of ideas. You can watch other people's videos to easily do that. Of course, why not? I'm seriously telling you again, if you really wanted to
Please, I'm serious.
teach any language that you are interested, I mean, more than 100 languages we have. So within them, you want to teach any subject, language, mathematics, something like that, or something like that you're interested, feel free to contact me on Instagram. Remember, my Instagram is this. I am only available on Instagram, and I'm not any on WhatsApp, something like that. No, I'm always available on Instagram. Simply you have to message me, and we'll be talking on Sunday. Especially on Sunday, I always free and I will help you. So according to me, right now is a Saturday night. Tomorrow is a Sunday, so maybe I will be uploading this video on Monday, because of this video would be going on Monday, or Sunday evening I will be uploading this video. So I hope you will be able to get that one. So no worries, next Sunday you have to contact me. We will simply talk about your learning process, and I will help you exactly how you can earn. Why not? You can earn.
I have to earn that money.
You can earn $3, $4, $5, $10, $20, $15 per hour. Why not? You can that. I probably believe that there are many people, they are more intelligent than me, because we can't compare ourselves. If I'm intelligent for me and you're intelligent for you, so we can't compare. You have more knowledge than me maybe, and I have more knowledge than you. So everyone has different knowledge. Everyone is genius. Everyone is intelligent. So go ahead and do that. I love you all, guys. Please feel free to subscribe our channel for getting more interesting video if you love them. So take care for now, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.